Don't let fear keep you off the dance floor. Learning how to dance with your partner is a great way to stay active and enjoy a new hobby together. Here is the first steps of East Coast Swing to get you started. We'll start off with the followers part. Followers always want to start on their right foot. This is typically the girl. Back rock, triple step, triple step. Back rock on your right foot, triple to the right, then triple to the left. Here, the back rock, you're just changing your weight from your front foot to your back foot, and then you're tripling to the side and to the side again. Back, rock, side together, side, side together, side. Triple steps are just 3 steps in a row. Here you have the leader doing the same exact thing. You're just starting on your left foot for the back rock. Back, rock, triple step, triple step. Here you can see us doing it together. You can start with a basic 2-hand hold or go into this closed position. You can take this basic step and rotate it or use it going into all of these different moves. You can see us just rotating around using that basic step, standing in place, or doing some twirls. This is the first building block of East Coast Swing, and it's the best way to get started if you want to dance like this. Like and subscribe for more dance tips.